deposit.
Okay.
We warmly welcome our international client representatives to TSTY for an in-depth visit and exchange. During the visit, our guests toured both the intelligent switchgear manufacturing base and the intelligent transformer production base. They gained a comprehensive understanding of TSTY's core products, explored our production processes, and experienced the quality of raw materials firsthand. From observing the digitalized logistics flow to witnessing the entire transformer manufacturing process, our clients were highly impressed and gave us very positive feedback and recognition.
Kevin,
Yes,
how do you think about TSTY, the factory?
thank you very much. And first of all, I'm surprised. I'm surprised with your factory. It's a big factory. It's the factory who use the high technology.
Yes?
Yeah. In brief, this factory is make something good and something durable, and he's hopeful with this factory. I'm very happy to enter in this factory.
This is a deposit.
This is deposit.
Okay.